Hi, everyone, and welcome to Dashdoc Academy. I'm Chloe, and today we're going to look at order creation. We're going to create orders using our order template, creating multiple and duplicate orders, inviting a shipper or a client so they can also create orders, and how to use our AI agent so it can create orders with PDFs and also emails. So let's get to it. All right, so here we are logged into my Dashdoc account. I'm going to go ahead and click on New Order, select my shipper. I can manually put in all of the information here on the right. And if I keep scrolling down, I can click on the templates. These are templates that I've already saved in the information. I know that these are shippers that I usually make orders with, and I've put in the different order details that I knew I would use again. So I'm going to go ahead and use the template. And as you can see, in just 2 clicks, I was able to go ahead and create an order. A new fun feature is I can also go ahead and create a break here. So all I need to do is click on that line in between the pickup and delivery, and here we go. Now I can go ahead and put in the information for the break as needed. So we're going to go ahead and create an order. Once my order is created, you can see on the map where my pickup and delivery are going to be. If we scroll down, we can see my tags. And if we need to create a break here as well, we can go ahead and click over here to create a break. So here we have it. This is one quick way that we can create an order in just 2 clicks using our saved templates. Now, if we need to create a duplicate or multiple orders, all we need to do is go ahead, choose our shipper. We can click on our template once again. And this time, instead of clicking create order, all we need to do is click on create multiple orders. Once we've clicked on multiple orders, we can go ahead and choose our options. We can also go ahead and select the dates that we want these orders to be duplicated in. And as you can see here at the bottom, we have all the different number of copies that are going to populate. Now, let's say that we want more than 1 order per day. Let's say that we want to put in 3. And right here, we see that we're going to have 3 copies that are going to be populated on each day. Now that we've explored how to create orders using saved order templates and how to create multiple orders, we're going to go ahead and look into how to create orders by inviting our shippers. So we're going to scroll down here on the left, click our address book. Here we're going to select a shipper, and we're going to scroll down to our contacts. And here we can see that we have a little invite button, and we can see if this contact has been invited or not. So when you invite a shipper to also create orders, all you need to do is click the button invite. They're going to receive a link that's going to take them to the guest portal for Dashdoc, which will allow them to also create orders. Something to note is that even when a shipper goes and creates an order, you need to be the one to confirm that order before you see it in your list of orders to send to your drivers. So just because a shipper might create an order doesn't mean that that order will automatically be ready to be sent to your drivers. You just need to go ahead and confirm it, and it's good to go. Now, last but not least, we're going to go ahead and create an order using our AI assistant. So we're going to go ahead and click over here, and we're going to click on PDF Import Assisted by AI. Click on here. What you can do is you can either upload a file or you can also click and drag. Once our AI assistant is ready, we're going to go ahead and click on create order. And as you can see here, our AI assistant was able to pick up information from the PDF, including the contact information, the pickup, the delivery, and all we need to do is click continue. And here, that information has automatically been put into the template for the order. So if there's anything that we need to add, we can go ahead and add it, but we can just go ahead and click create order. And there we go. We have our order created by the help of our AI assistant, where all we needed to do was just upload our PDF. One last way that we can go ahead and create an order is by clicking on your Excel import. If you have your Excel sheet with your order information, you just need to go ahead, upload it there, and it should help you create an order. Just to recap, we just looked at how we can create orders using our saved order templates, how to create duplicate multiple orders, how to invite a shipper or a client to also create an order, and how to use our AI agent to create orders by uploading a PDF or connecting them to our email. If you have any questions, please feel free to check out our Help Center and check out our Help Desk articles. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time on Dashdoc Academy.